Hello children, welcome to the online maths class at BMS School at home. Children, in the last class we learned the comparison of numbers, isn't it? So what is comparison? Comparison means to find the difference between the numbers to decide if it is greater than or smaller than or equal to another number. Okay, and also we did some exercise related to rules. Okay, so what is the rules? To compare two numbers, first one, count the number of digit of both numbers. So the numbers that has more digit is greater. If the two numbers have the same number of digit, then compare the digit in the next highest place value, isn't it? So if they are same, then compare the digit in the next highest place values, and so on. Continue till you reach two digits that are different. Then compare them. The number with the greater digit in the place that is finally compared will be the greater number. Okay children? In today's class we are going to learn about ordering numbers. Okay ma? So children, what is ordering? Ordering numbers means arrangement of numbers either from small to big or from big to small. Okay children? So there is two types of ordering numbers. They are ascending order and descending order. Ascending means arrange the numbers from small to big, and descending means arrange the numbers from big to small. Okay children? Children, ascending order means arrange the numbers from small to big. Arrange the numbers or things from small to big. And descending means arrange the numbers from big to small. Arrange the numbers or things from big to small. Okay? Now let us see how we can do this in numbers. Okay? How we can arrange the numbers in ascending and descending. Okay ma? Ordering numbers. Arrangement of numbers either from small to big or from big to small. Okay, so ordering numbers means arrangement of numbers either from small to big or from big to small. Okay, so there are two types for ordering the numbers. They are ascending order and descending order. Okay, so ascending order means you can arrange the numbers from small to big. Okay, you can arrange the numbers from small to big number. The ascending order is otherwise called as increasing order. Okay, ascending order is otherwise called it as increasing order. Okay, next one, descending order. Descending order means arrange the numbers from big number to small. Okay, so ascending means arrange the numbers from small to big, and descending means arrange the numbers from big to small. This descending order is otherwise called as decreasing order. Okay, ascending means it's increasing order and descending means decreasing order. Okay ma? Now let's do some examples related to ascending and descending order. So here first you have to find the ascending order. Okay, what is ascending order ma? You have to arrange the numbers from small number to big number. Okay children, so first children, which is the small number here? So if you want to find the small number, first you have to check the digits. Okay, so you have to check the digits of all the numbers. Okay, so here the first number is 4 digit, second number, and so on. All the number is 4 digit numbers. Okay children, so what you want to do next? If all the numbers are same digit, then next check their place values. Okay, start from the highest place values. Okay, so the 4 digit numbers has the highest place value is 1000. Okay ma, that means ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, so in the first number the 1000 place value is 6, second number 2, third number also 6, and fourth number 1, fifth number 3, and sixth number 1000 place value is 4, and seventh one 4, eighth one 1. Okay children, so among these which is the lowest, that means smallest place value for thousands, whether it's 3 or 4 or 1 or 2 or 6? Yeah, it's 1. Okay, so but here there is two numbers have the same 1000 place values. Okay, so what do you want to do next? Yeah, you have to check their 100 place values for these two numbers. Okay children, so check the 100 place values for this number is 4 and this number is 3. Okay, so which one is smaller, whether it's 4 or 3? Yeah, 3 is smaller. Okay, so first the smallest number in this series is 1312. Okay, next 1465. Okay, then next children, already we wrote these two numbers, then remaining 6 numbers again check their 1000 place values. Okay, so 3, 4, 2, 6, whether which one is the smallest among this, whether it's 2, 3, 4 or 6? Yeah, 2. Okay ma, so write this number next, 2525. Okay, the next this number, isn't it? 3530. Okay, the next 4. Okay, but here there is two numbers has the same 1000 place values. Okay, 4 and 4. So what do you want to do next? Yeah, check their 100 place values. Okay, so this number the 100 place value is 4 and this number the 100 place value is 2. Okay, so which one is the smaller, whether it's 2 or 4? Yeah, 2 is smaller. Okay, so you can write 4200 and next 4425. Okay, the next remaining two numbers are there, that is 6516 and 6695. Here also the two numbers has the same 1000 place value, so check their 100 place values. This number have the 100 place value is 6 and this number have the 100 place value is 5. So which one is the smaller, 5 or 6? Yeah, 5 is the smaller one, so you can write this. Okay, 6516 and the last number is 6695. Okay children, so the ascending order means arrange the numbers from small to big. Now let's form the descending order. Okay ma, children, in ascending order we have found the small number to big, but in descending we have to first find the bigger number. Okay, so what do you want to do first? Yeah, check their digits value. All the numbers have same digits. Okay, all the numbers are same digit means what do you want to do next? Yeah, check their place values. Okay, and this is descending order, so you have to find which number has the highest place value. Okay, so here all the numbers have highest place value that is thousands. Okay, now among this number find their values, 1000 values for each number. Okay, the first number, the 1000 value is 6, and second one is 2, third one also 6, fourth one 1, fifth one 3, sixth one 4, seventh one also 4, and eighth one is 1. Okay ma? So among this, which is the highest 1000 place value? 6. But 6, there is 2 6 is there. Okay, that means this number and this number. So check their 100 place value. This number, the 100 place value is 6, and this number, the 100 place value is 5. Whether which number is greater, 5 or 6? Yeah, 6 is greater. Okay ma? So first write the 6695, then next write 6516. Okay, so we already found the bigger number started from 6. Okay, so next what do you want to do? Yeah, next greater number. Okay, among this, which one is the next greater number? 4, isn't it? But here also their 1000 place values are 4, isn't it? That means 4200 and 4425. So what do you want to do next? Check their 100 place value. This number, the 100 place value is 2, and this number, the 100 place value is 4. Which one is greater? 4425. Okay ma? So write these two numbers. Okay, 4425 and 4200. Okay children, next the remaining numbers are 2131. Among this, which is the greatest value? 3. Okay, so the 3 is here, the 1000 value, 1000 place value 3 is this number, 3530. Okay, so next write 3530. Okay, next among these 211, which is the greatest number? 2. Okay, so the starting from 1000 value 2 is this number. Okay ma? 2525. Okay, 2525. Okay, next children, 1. But here there is two numbers have the same 1000 place value, that is 1465 and 1312. So what do you want to do next? Check their 100 place value. This number, the 100 place value is 4, and this number, the 100 place value is 3. Which is the greater number, 4 or 3? 4. Okay, so first write 1465 and 1312. Okay ma? So ascending means arrange the numbers from small to big, and descending means arrange the numbers from big to small. Okay children, so if you want to write the descending order, one easiest way is write the backward of this number. Okay, 6695. Check this, 6695 and 6516, 6516, then 4425, 4200, likewise. Okay children, so first you find the ascending order, then if you want to write the descending order for the same numbers means just you have to write the backward of the ascending order, you can get the descending order. Okay children, now let's do some more examples related to ascending and descending order. Children, please look at this. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Okay, what is ascending order? Yeah, arrange the numbers in small number to big number. Okay ma? So what do you want to do first? Yeah, check their digits value. Okay children? So this number has 4 digit values and this number has 3 digit. This number is 4 digit. This number is 3 digit and this number is 4 digit. Okay children? So which one is smaller digit number? 3 digit or 4 digit? 3 digit, isn't it? So 902 and 942, these two are 3 digit numbers. Okay children? First find which number has the lowest digit value. Here the two numbers have 3 digit values. Okay? So what do you want to do next? Yeah, check their highest place values. Okay? So these two numbers, the highest place value is 100. This number, the 100 place value is 9 and this number also, the 100 place value is 9. Okay? So what do you want to do next? Yeah, check their tens place values. This number, the tens place value is 4 and this number, the tens place value is 0. So which one is smaller ma? 0 or 4? Yeah, 0 is smaller. So the 902 is smaller number. So you can write the 902. Okay. Then next which one is smaller? 942, because this is 3 digit number, remaining all are 4 digit number. Okay. So next what do you want to do ma? Yeah, you want to find the next number, isn't it? So if you want to find the next number, check the questions. Okay. So in this question all the three numbers have same digit value. Okay. So what do you want to do next? Yeah, check their highest place values. Here all the three numbers, the highest place value is 9. Okay, this number, the highest place value is 9 and this number, the highest place value is 9. This number also, the highest place value is 9. So what do you want to do next? Check their 100 place values. This number, the 100 place value is 1 and this number, the 100 place value is 2 and this number, the 100 place value is 3. So which one is smaller? 1, 2 or 3? Yeah, 1 is smaller. So you can write 1145 is the next number. Okay. Then you already checked the 100 place values for these two numbers 2 and 3. So which is smaller, 2 or 3? 2 is smaller. Okay. So you can write the 9253 as next number and the last number is 9321. Okay ma? So in the same way find the next question. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. That means small number to big number. Here all the numbers are having 4 digit values. So check their highest place value. Here all the numbers, the highest place value is 1000. But the 1000 place values for all the numbers is same, isn't it? Check here, this number has 4, this number 4 and this number, all the numbers are, the 1000 place value is 4, isn't it? So check their 100 place values. Okay. Here this number, the 100 place value is 7. First number. Next number, the 100 place value is 6. And next number, the 100 place value is 5. And next number, the 100 place value is 4. Next number, the 100 place value is 3. So which is smaller here? 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7? 3 is smaller, isn't it? So you can write the 4398 is the smaller number. 398. Okay. So once we found this number, so cut it. Then next, among these 7654, which is the smaller number ma? Yeah, 4. So 4 is belongs to this number. So you can write 4437. Okay. So once you found, just cut it. Okay. Next, among these 100 place values 5, 6, 7, which one is the smaller one? 5 is smaller one. So 5 belongs to this number 4565. Okay. So write the 4565 as next number. Okay. So the next number is among 6 and 7, which is the smaller number 6. So the place value for 6 is belongs to this number. Okay. So 4657 and the last number is 4765. Okay children. Now children, let's find the next question. Arrange the numbers in ascending order, that means small to big. All the numbers are having 4 digit and their 1000 place values also same, that is 8. So what do you want to do next? Yeah, check their 100 place value. The first number 100 place value is 8, second number 5, third number 0, fourth number 5 and fifth number is 0. Okay, so here which is the smaller value? 0. Okay, but the two numbers are having the same place value, same 100 place values, that is 0. Okay, so what do you want to do next? Yeah, check those numbers, the tens place values. The first number, the tens place value is 5 and the second number, the tens place value is 8. Okay, so which one is smaller, 5 or 8? Yeah, 5 is smaller. So you can write the smaller number 8058. So next, you already know this one, 8085. Okay ma? So these two numbers we already found. So you have to find the next smaller number from these three numbers. Okay, so the next smaller number is 5. But here also the 100 place values for these two numbers is same, that is 5 and 5. So what do you want to do next? From this number and this number, yeah, you have to find the tens place value. The tens place value for this number is 8 and the tens place value for this number is 0. So which is the smaller number, 0 or 8? 0 is smaller. So you can write this one. Okay, so 8508 and next one 8580 and the last number is 8850. Okay children. Children, next question, arrange the following numbers in descending order. Okay, so descending order means big number to small number. You have to arrange the numbers from big to small. Okay, so what is the first step? Check their digit values. Okay, so here this number is 4 digit, this number is 3 digit, this number is 4 digit, this number also 4 digit and this number is 3 digit. Which is the greater number, 3 digit or 4 digit is greater number? 4 digit is greater number, isn't it children? But children, here there is 3 4 digit numbers are there. So you want to find the place values, that means the 1000 place values for these three numbers. Here the 1000 place values for these three numbers is same, that is 8. So what do you want to do next? Yeah, check their 100 place values. The first number, the 100 place value is 9. 100 place value is 9. Second number, the 100 place value is 0 and third number, the 100 place value is 0. Okay ma? So which is the greater, 9 or 0? 9 is greater, isn't it children? So for descending order, you have to write first the highest value, that means 8900. Okay, next you have to find the next number. Okay, so here we already found the 100 place value for this number is 0 and this number is also 0. Both are same. So what do you want to do next? Check their tens place value. The first number, the tens place value is 0 and the second number, the tens place value is 9. Which is greater, 0 or 9? 9. Okay ma? So this number is the next greater number, 8099. Okay. So remaining the 4 digit value is this one, so you can write this one. Okay, 8009. So children, next one, we already found this number and this number. Remaining 2 numbers is there. Okay, the 2 numbers are having the same digit value, that is 3. So check their 100 place values. The 100 place values for these 2 numbers also same, that is 8. So what do you want to do next? Check their ones place value. The ones place value for the first number is 0 and the second number is 9. Okay ma? So which is the greater number, 0 or 9? 9 is greater. So you can write this number as the next greater number. And the last one is 8009. Okay children? So children, if you want to find ascending order, you have to check the lowest value. But if you want to find the descending order, you have to check their highest values. Okay. Next, do the next question. So here all the numbers are having the same digit. So check their place values. Here the place values, the 1000 place values for the first number is 5, second number is also 5, and third number is 4, fourth number is 5, fifth number is 4. So which is the highest value, 4 or 5? 5. Okay, but here the starting from 5 there is 3 numbers are here. Okay, first, second and third. Okay, so what do you want to do next? Check their 100 place value. The first number, the 100 place value is 5, and second number, the 100 place value is 4, and this number, the 100 place value is 4. So which one is greater, 4 or 5? Yeah, 5 is greater, so you can write 5. 1545. So next, we already found these 2 numbers are the next greater number. So, but here the 100 place values are same, these 2 numbers. So what do you want to do next? Check their tens place value. Here the tens place value is 5 and here the tens place value is 4. So which is greater, 5 or 4? 5 is greater. Okay ma? So write this one, 5455. Next, we already found this number is the next greater number, so you can write 5445. Then remaining 2 numbers, so check their 100 place value. The first number 100 place value is 5 and second number the 100 place value is 4. Okay children, so which is greater, 4 or 5? 5 is greater, so you can write the 4554 is the next greater number. Then the 4455 is the last number. Okay children. So in the same way, do the next question. Here also all the numbers are having same digit value, that is 4. So check their 1000 place values. Among this, which one is the highest 1000 place value? Yeah, 9. But there is 2 numbers starting from the 1000 values 9. So what do you want to do next? Check their 100 place values. The first number, the 100 place value is 7 and this number, the 100 place value is 8. So which is greater? 8 is greater. So we can write the 9876 is the greater number. Okay. So next we already found the 9786 is the next greater number. Okay children. Then next we have to find the next greater number. So check their 1000 place values. The 1000 place values for this number is 8, this number is 8 and this number is 6. Okay. So here 8 is greater and there is two numbers have the same 1000 place value, that is 8. So check their 100 place value. This number the 100 place value is 9 and this number the 100 place value is 7. So which is greater, 9 or 7? 9 is greater. Okay ma? So write 8976 and next we already found the 8796 and the last number is 6978. Okay children. Okay children, in today's class we learned ordering the numbers. Okay, ordering numbers means arrangement of numbers either from small to big or from big to small, isn't it? In that we learned two types of ordering numbers. They are ascending and descending. Ascending means arranging the numbers from small to big. Descending means arranging the number from big to small. Okay, so the ascending order is otherwise called it as increasing order. Descending order means otherwise call it as decreasing order. Okay children. And next we did some example related to ascending and descending order. So what is the first step to find ascending order? So check their digit values. If which number is having the lowest digit, write that number first. Okay. And if the both numbers have the same digit values, check their highest place values. Okay, if the highest place values for both numbers are same means again check their next highest place values. Okay, so which one is the smaller one? Write the smaller number is the first one. Okay, and children, next find the next smaller number. So again you have to check their place values and so on. This is the end of today's class. Bye and happy learning.